After a week, here are my initial impressions of the Nothing Phone 4a. The box includes a USB-C to USB-C cable, a phone case, safety information and warranty card, Nothing's unique SIM tray ejector tool, and a pre-applied screen protector on the 4a. Right out of the box, I think Nothing absolutely crushed the design of this phone. The 4a looks absolutely incredible, even stacked up next to the more premium double the price Phone 3. I'm moving from the Phone 3 to the 4a, swapping my main SIM, transferring my data, and installing the initial updates before diving in. Still the best changelogs on Android. The 4a features a Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, a 6.78-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, and a 50-watt fast-charging 5080 mAh battery, 5400 milliamps in India. There's now a new redesigned 63 LED Glyph bar, which is up to 40% brighter at 3500 nits and tracks live updates to minimize screen distractions. It is very bright, but you can adjust the brightness. Even the lowest for most will be plenty bright. Max brightness is absolutely blinding. There's essential notifications for signaling important critical notifications indicating you should probably pick up that device, and features like Flip to Glyph, Glyph Timer, which I personally use a ton when cooking, and there's also Glyph Progress for keeping an eye on your Uber, though I wish more apps supported this, like DoorDash for example. While different from Glyph Lights, the Glyph bar remains just as useful. Battery life is stellar and charging is fast, but subscribe for my full review to see how that holds up. Build-wise, we'll have to see how it holds up as well. With the IP64 rating and Gorilla Glass 7i, it should do well, but again, stay tuned. Speaking of the build, I am pleased Nothing heard the community and delivered on relocating the Essential button. However, that Essential button, while textured differently for added accessibility, is a bit cheaper, shinier plastic that I've already managed to micro-scratch. Then we have the triple rear camera system, which includes a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.5 optical zoom, and an 8 megapixel ultrawide lens. I'm already enjoying Nothing's new filters and much improved watermarks. There are many new watermark options in the Nothing gallery, only in the Nothing gallery, that can be applied after the fact, which I also really appreciate. Using the 4a as my main device for a bit, I've really enjoyed playing with the camera filters and watermarks. These sample photos have no other additional edits, it's just point, shoot, and apply a Nothing filter and watermark, no other edits beyond that. The photos are pretty good overall, but of course let me know your thoughts in the comments. It's fun taking photos with the 4a. There's a noticeable improvement over the 3a as well as the 2a. I don't like to spend a lot of time editing my photos. I just want a good enough photo to share on socials, share with friends and family, and most smartphone cameras deliver on that. You do have to remember though, this isn't a flagship, and given the price point, I think it delivers within the range of competing devices. I'll of course take more photos and share more details in my full review, however. In various lighting conditions and just a handful of photos, I would happily share these and not feel like someone is missing anything from the moment that would seemingly be improved by me spending nearly double or even more on a higher end device personally. But again, it's up to what you value most in a smartphone. Is it overall value or value in just specific features like the camera system? Oh, and before I forget, when recording video, out of the box, the red light indicator while filming is enabled. As you can see, it's reflecting off the Phone 3 here. This can be disabled easily in the camera settings. While a great feature to let everyone know you're recording, it's not the best for someone like me who primarily films product videos. I'm glad Nothing lets you disable this. It's very easy and intuitive. It's right within the camera settings, right in the drop down, just disable it, and then it's no longer an issue and it's no longer flashing, and you can always re-enable it when needed. Performance-wise, thanks to the Snapdragon chipset on board and the software optimization of Nothing OS 4.1 based on Android 16, the 4a is snappy and smooth. For my full review, I'll throw more at it and let you know how it holds up, but in my daily use I have yet to encounter any slow app usage or issues when multitasking. The Phone 4a is a great addition, available in blue, pink, black, or white, something for everyone except seemingly the US. From first impressions, it's an easy global recommendation for now, but stay tuned for my long-term review. As always, thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.